can't believe this happened. We were expecting an increase in sales this month, but instead, we suffered a major loss.
And the financial reports clearly shows that the expenses exceeded our expected budget.
Are you saying that the marketing department is responsible?
I did not say that.
That is what you are implying.
I'm simply explaining what the report says.
You always say that whenever something goes wrong, you look at the numbers and try to find someone to blame.
And you always take everything personally.
Gentlemen, please, you should remain calm. We do not know the complete reason yet.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What happened to our company?
Sir, you are just reviewing the report.
Look at this number. With significant loss.
Sir, are you angry with us?
No, I'm concerned.
It sounded like blame, sir.
I understand you think that. I apologize if my tone is harsh.
Sir, I think the misunderstanding started there. They were already stressed, so they interpreted your seriousness as anger.
I see. Okay, let's focus on facts, but not blame.
Just follow the approved strategy.
But expenses exceeded the budget.
Finance approved it.
Based on projections.
Enough!
Before you arrived, they were already arguing. When you entered, they assumed criticism because of your tone.
We thought you were going to ask for us at first.
So we became defensive.
That is misunderstanding of tone, emotion, but not intention. When I asked what happened, I meant I wanted to explanation, but not to assign blame.
So it was not anger.
No.
This shows how tone, facial expressions, and stress can change meaning.
Exactly. Miscommunication often comes interpretation, but not words.